Okay. So far, do you have any doubt, anything till this page number 37?
Rakesh, before going for the questions, what should we revise?
See, I'm giving you question chapter wise chapter. So what you should do it, for example, if you are attending question for business environment, look at this content, like point
Only
number.
the content in quick revision guide is enough, or should we be referring to any other course,
See
any
the
other
thing.
material?
No. See, the thing is that I have already taught you, right? Supportive, controlling, directive. This is the checklist for you. Suppose you feel that, I forgot what is directive. Naturally, you have to refer to this study guidebook, right? Because, or the document what I have given to you, you have to refer it. You have to refer the book also. But if you feel that, you know about this particular 1 minute quick revision, if you know it that you know about this, it will be good for you.
Okay.
This is just it, because checklist now, because problem is, books are there, so many materials are there, where to go? So this is a like lesson when I'm talking, only this much I'm talking. So you sometimes, suppose you don't know about this functional organization, what you will do, this is just a line only, this is an index kind of thing. But you should know what is there in this lesson, therefore I'm mentioning those stuff, so that you should not forget anything.
Okay.
If I don't give you, I say, you do the lesson 1. Now, where you will go? You will be searching it. If I see, so just see it. Okay, I've done this, I have learned this, I have learned this. Now attend the question. Before attending the question, you should go through this, then attend the question. Otherwise, you'll be confused. See, this revision is for you. Now, if you know about that, it will be easy. So that you have to look at. Right. I have already given you reference 07 guidebook. I already talked to you about Pembroke. I already talked about so many folders, right? These folders are already available there. Student libraries, right? We have already discussed you about the 49 processes, principle, agile, and PMP study guide. These are the books for you, and based on that, plus I already told you about other books also. These books. But your focus should be totally on the material. I mean, the sequence you go through. If you go here and there, it will be problem. Right, Kirti?
Yeah. So after every question, there is some reference given. Is it for the study material?
Which reference?
See, after every question, there is a CRC 39.
No. This is for my references, because
Okay.
I take lot of things. Some. This is my personal reference.
Okay.
Yes, I get the idea from where to. I look at more than 50 books. So more than 50 books. Maybe I don't know, much more than that. So therefore, so it is very difficult for you to go through book by book. So everything is consolidated. Everything is in one place.
Okay.
Right. But the answers are given here. Yeah, answers are given here. And in case you feel any problem is there, I give explanation, but I don't want to give you a spoon feeding. Like if I write everything, then you will not learn it. But if you have problem, then I will write the answer explanation also. But I don't want to write it, because if you know everything, why you need explanation, right?
Right.
Right. Therefore, purposely I'm not writing. I would have written it for everybody. Simple thing for me.
So no need to go line by line to read PM book 7, right?
No, not at all. You have spent, this much time. Its crux is only you have to refer it. Suppose you don't know about that, go and refer it. If you want to know something at car, you are not clear about that. Open, process book and pay book and find out, and refer this study guidebook where I'm providing you the presentation also, PPTs also. Refer this. If still you are not able to do it, go to the PIM book and try to find. Because in the PIM book, it's a 350 page per book is there. So line by line things are there. Probably you will get the idea. I don't think you need any help from me after this. But still you are still confused, I'm always there. But dependency should be very less, because, you people are having, I always believe that, knowledge is important. Fine.
Right.
So let's start. The next is about the where we are going to start the initiating process. initiating process. So before initiating the process, right, what we should do, we should try to understand the 49 process. What are the initiating processes? So what you will do, you will go to 49 processes book and look at the initiating process. I'm just revising it once again. We have learned 49 processes. How many there in the initiating processes?
Two.
Right. Very good answer. So if you look at 5 process groups, so closing is 1, therefore it is 2, it is 1 dozen, it is 2 dozen, and 10 is there. Very good. And then things are available here also for more detail, but anyway, I'm going to start it now. So what are the name of 2 initiating process? The first initiating process is develop the project charter, and second initiating process is identify the stakeholder. I believe everybody is having a copy of this sheet, right, Andy? I've already shared with you in the WhatsApp also. Take the printout or whatever way is possible, because you need to remember the name of this one. So this process, when I'm going to start the project, we have to look at the initiating is develop the charter and all. Now, in detail, if you want to go, right, there was a very good idea by weekend. I don't know who told me about this. Somebody wanted to have a detail about that in this class or some weekend class. You people has talked? I don't know.
No, we haven't been there.
Yeah, somebody was saying that, can you give an explanation of the process in the bottom so that it will be more clear to us? So I started writing like that. So what happens is, in the initiating, like I develop the charter, the project sponsor is a person who is funding it. Before I'm going to PPT, I want to tell you the basics and then I'll go to the presentation. That will be, to make your base strong, I wanted to tell you that, we have got on order confirmation. So when we get a purchase order from some client, or work order or statement of work, which we have talked about, Smart CD project. So once the order has come to your company, who is going to receive the order? Any idea? Salesperson or any senior management people. And it will be a good thing for the company, like you got an order for example, $500,000 million or maybe $5, hardly matters for me. You got the order. Now the salesperson will hand over this to your senior person, and all the money will come to a person called sponsor. Sponsor is a person. What is the duty of the sponsor? Providing.
Define the project manager.
No, before that, the important part is who is providing the person.
Sponsor is providing the fund, or you can say the money.
Yeah, fund is money is there, and because this sponsor will get money from the customer and then provide funding to the project. Right. So you are supposed to ask from request for the funding and all. Now what happens is a project charter, because the process name is develop the project charter. A project charter is a document that authorizes a project manager to start the project. So somebody has to give an order to the project manager, kindly start the project official. When you go to a dealership for your car repair, what they do it, they make a job card. Job
Yes.
card is in that you are writing also, you are also signing it, that we are officially authorizing this particular supervisor to take my car and do whatever I ask it, and then hand over back to the dealer, and then finally dealer will be, after the billing, dealer will give it to you, right? This happens. The same thing when you are handling. So in your company, a lot of project will come. So a particular project is handed over to you. So there is a document called project charter, kind of a job card. The project charter is developed by sponsors or management. Project manager may assist in preparing the work chart. I have seen in most of the company, the project charter is made by the project manager. I don't know in your case, but in most of the cases I found it. Any idea about yourself?
It's also preparing this project.
Have you seen the project charter?
From here, yes.
There is a noise problem. Is it from my side or your side, internet?
Clear.
My voice is clear, or
Yes, your voice is clear.
but I think from your side, some I'm seeing. Let me switch off my video. Maybe you can. Yeah. Can you speak once again?
In our organization, we are preparing the project charter and get the confirmation from the CEO, my reporting manager.
Right. So that's not a right approach. It should be see. Therefore, I'm saying whatever you're doing, in your company, keep on doing it. I'm not a right person to stop it. But as a good practices, as a PMP practices, it says that the project manager may assist in preparation of the charter, but the ownership has to be with the senior management because the purchase, the charter is or job card is given to you. You are a supervisor. You are not a person who is so order has to come from top, right? You cannot make the charter for myself. You cannot make a job card for yourself that what I'm supposed to do. It has to be officially told by those people. So question wise also, you have to use only the best practices. What you are doing it should not come in your mind. Always, as far the examination is concerned, you have to use always the best practices, and best practices talks about that. The project manager reviews the charter and related document and gives a consent to initiate the project. Means what happens is, suppose I say you start the project. This is a congratulation. This is a very nice project and it is from international project, or it is a smart city project, which is a prestigious project and all. What you should do? You should not say yes sir, thank you very much, because the senior management is transferring the ownership